Good morning, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the analyst and trader you can find at the blog www.fibonaccistalking.com. Good morning, today is October 27th, 2012 and it's 1:40 p.m. Italian time. This video is part of the videos I will publish in my newsletter tomorrow, and you can subscribe the newsletter on my website. It's free. In this video I wanted to do a quick review of the dollar index. The dollar index is very important these days because basically the dollar index heads and leads everything. I wanted to do in this video a review and see if price structure I'm going to analyze somehow matches or meets the analysis that is made by other traders I know, and in tomorrow's newsletter I will publish an article that is dedicated to the dollar index. So let's move very quickly. So we had this top that corresponded to the bottoms of the euro in mid-July. We had this first measured move lower. I want to notice something important here. The dollar index is not something that is it's an index, so it's derived by trades that people do on other forex instruments. That's a weighted. This is a weighted kind of weighted index. So the participation will not be the participation level are not respected like in other instruments. Also, the volume is very different because the dollar index trades between 15, 17, 20,000 contracts per day, while other instruments with a very high volume, like the euro, for example, trades 200,000 contracts per day. So we need to keep this in mind. So we had this first measured move. Somehow we got to the target. The next move actually hit the first target, then the second in 81.26, and then the market started moving in extensions. So again we had this extension again. Price participation level not respected because of the volume. We hit the first, second, and then we continue lower. So we have this extension that eventually broke at some point, and this somehow degraded, not the first time but the second time for sure. It was a confirmation. The degraded the end of this move lower. Now we had a wedge at lows here because the bulls were not able to defend 79.50, and but eventually this level 79.30 was violated a couple of times, and eventually then long started participating at the 79.49. Now as we can see, we have two targets here, 80.61 and 81.20, and that's where we expect price to go. So in this extension higher, and that's where the cycle count would also see this price moving higher and putting an intermediate top around 81.20. I hope this is interesting. I want to remind you that you can get this information early on Sunday. Subscribe my free newsletter. You can do that, and you can go on my blog and register. I will usually post this information 6 days later on Saturdays. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye bye.